Say hi to your Mira TV fans.
Hi, Mira TV.
Ayan, gusto mo dito? I-comment niyo below kung masusunod si Mira o yung tatay niya. At least nag-enjoy ka na. Mira, gusto nung araw, 625 grams lang to. Ngayon, ayun, laki-laki na, Ayan, so, andito tayo ngayon sa Wonderscape. Yan, with Mira. First time ni Mira dito sa Wonderscape. Kaya lang wala siyang medyas. So, we need to buy medyas here. Ayan, dito ang Wonderscape. So, second time ko na rito na aliw ako. Kaya, sabi ko, dadalhin ko rito si Mira. So, ito yung kanilang mga pricing. Ayan. The Wonderscape and what the experience Wonderscape. Tara, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, here naman Mira, here. Careful, Careful. Careful, Mira. one more. On the other side, Violet.
Other side.
Yeah.
Are you scared?
This is your mini kitchen.
Yes.
Oh, you cook for them.
I will cook rice.
Oh, you cook rice. Okay.
Oh. This is my kitchen.
And
I'm going to make ice cream.
okay, you make ice cream for your followers.
Today, guys, we're going to make fried ice cream.
Kasi sa Mira.
I'm doing fried ice cream for the followers. Wait. I'm going to put this in one piece.
Show your face, Mira.
Let's go wash our hands first because we don't need to get dirty. Make it okay, we should play while we wait for the fried ice cream to cook. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's try your Mira.
Speak.
Show your face, Mira. Hold on.
Clip the nose.
Okay.
We just need our lips. And then Let's find a spot.
You just stay there, Mira. Yeah. What's this? Shine.
This is the sprinkles for the fried ice cream. It's done.
Cool. Let's go.
Oh, yes. And put some sprinkles to get this. Here's the fried ice cream. Nom, nom.
Oh, you put it there na.
Now let's play. Beautiful.
Careful. And then, that careful, slowly. Oh, your head, your head.
Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Find more wooden blocks. What is this?
Don't go up, Mira. Don't go up.
Why?
Why? No, 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 no.
Let's play on the
Hello. Careful, Mira.
there's lots of those.
Where are you? Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
No, I don't need to worry about that. Hey, say hi to the dog, guys. Guys, say hi to the dog. Guys, now you want to play? Guys, I'm not cold. Oh, you want to play that one?
No, I think Hunter wants to play with you.
Let's go, we could do. Let's go to the sun! Oh! Let's go to the sun. I can jump on the sand. Don't eat the sand, okay? Because you might choke, right?
That's right.
Ayan. So, kumusta? How's your experience with the Wonderscape? Good? You want to go back here? You want
And my
to... On my birthday.
on my birthday.
Oh, you want your birthday. Imagine ninyo, si Mira, gusto nung araw, 625 grams lang to. O ngayon, no? Ngayon, ang laki-laki na, oh. Ayan ang owner ng Wonderscape. Ayan, si Isa. Yung asawa niya si Ken.
Ito yata ikaw.
Ayan, ito ko, oh. Look, oh. Yan, gagawa yung figurine ko. O, diba?
Si Daddy talaga nun.
Oh,
Ay,
yan
ano
si...
ko, Daddy?
You wanna wear shoes? It's okay. You ready?
Thank you. Ayan. You say, thank you to Wonderscape.
Thank you, Wonderscape, for doing this for me and celebrating my
Thank you, Wonderscape.